We had the briefing for the media so that we can create the necessary awareness about this process, the 2019 Population and Housing Census. We are going to conduct this housing and population and housing census in August, but the preparation of the process started way back in 2015.
It is good that we give KNBS a chance to do their work properly, as opposed to, hearing political numbers. Their job, as you know, they have been providing or compiling statistics of other sectors, not necessarily only population. They have been doing it in a very professional manner. So as they invest on this and they governed by best practice, our hope is that we will get quality, accurate numbers. Let me caution the public against falling prey to fraudsters who have formed a syndicate to defraud Kenyans with promises of securing jobs in the forthcoming census. Let me reiterate that the government does not require individuals to pay any money to be considered for employment.